Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wix affiliate program for website builder referrals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Wix affiliate program URL. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address. Make sure to check for any typing errors in your email. Next, enter your account password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the dashboard. Here, you'll see various options related to your affiliate activities. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. If you encounter any issues while logging in, double-check your credentials. You can also try using a different browser if problems persist. Once logged in, you can access your referral links, earnings, and promotional materials. This completes the login process for the Wix affiliate program. Feel free to navigate around the site and make the most of your affiliate opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.